This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Andrea Wallace. This well-maintained brick rancher is located at the end of a cul-de-sac and features an open floor plan, updated kitchen, 2 fireplaces and a workshop. Great floor plan with separate living room with fireplace, dining area and family room with another fireplace. Kitchen was updated with corian counters, under-counter lighting and lots of cabinets. Master bedroom separate with full bath from other 3 bedrooms. Large fenced yard includes 2 storage sheds, deck, sitting area, and workshop for handy person. Wood shop with concrete floor, 110, lighting and lots of outlets. Attached garage with pull-down attic. Close to bases, shopping, schools and interstates. Eaton School right.